might snap at me. Our sister is about to hold a live boa. What is that? It's a boa?
Yeah, boa.
Boa snake? Woo, child. She brave because it could not be me.
Put the head in the front.
Okay, so make sure it don't bite you, right?
No, you can just let the bite. When you have them,
Oh no, I cannot.
Oh, they don't?
Yeah,
Turn around, Sanaya.
Come to the next one.
Oh yeah, no, I don't do snakes.
No, you're not gonna touch it. You're just gonna take a photo of it.
I am, but I don't want to get too close. It might snap at me.
No, come
You don't have to be worried. You can come and stand there.
Come here, big nigga, please.
Alright, record us. It's recorded.
Fine, move that snake over. Where? I'm moving into.
You go that side. Go that side. You don't have to be worried.
Erica, why you in the car?
Alright, let me try to touch it.
It don't feel no way for this shit.
I don't like the way snakes feel.
And she's holding a live snake. Like that.
Yes.
I cannot. Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice snake.
Look at the snake.
You're gonna be in there.
Huh? I don't eat mangoes. I don't eat mangoes. The beautiful views of St. Lucia. Alright, so this is what, soursop? Can you see me? Hold, record me. You blocking the camera with your hand? I don't know what it tastes like. It's not bad though. It's like a funky aftertaste.
You think so?
It tastes sweet, but then like the aftertaste is like a funky
I'm trying to eat
aftertaste.
this mango without getting.
Alright, so this is the apple. Let me see how the apple looks. Let me record. Alright, so that's the apple in St. Lucia. One type of apple. Let's see.
How does it taste it?
Oh, yeah?
Can I taste that? The guava? And that's the wine, right?
It tastes like water.
I don't. That guava?
Yeah.
Can I taste that too?
Look this out.
Selfie them.
All right, so we are at Sulphur Springs. We are about to go to the mud bath. This is the entrance with little shops. And we are about to go down with our tour guide.
Are y'all ready to party?
We ready to party. Make sure I'm watching where I'm going before I bust my ass.
I said I'm 16. But what I was joking, about 8 sisters.
Say cheese, Naya.
The bus number. Who's the driver?
Erica looking like a mud monkey. I'm waiting for the black.
Hey, I want to do this. I can't do this.
I'm so fucking high.
Come on.
This is a video.
Look at my butt.
More mud. Do a good hand with Naya.
That's fine. That's a whole lot of hand.
You got a lot of mud on there. Don't put so much.
It's not going to be that much more.
Yeah, I know. You got the full body?
Yeah. All right.
Just finished the Sulphur mud bath. I still got my little facial on because we are now headed to the waterfall where we're going to take a dip and wash this off. My skin is feeling so smooth. We had lots of fun in the Sulphur mud bath. It did stink, but it's worth it because I had lots of fun. Wow, cute. So we have finished the waterfall. I washed off some of it. That water was cold, y'all. So I did not get all the way in. Like these two who's with me. But I'll take a bath when I get home. Restaurant and bar. It doesn't want to work for me.
It's acting up. Is fried chicken? Grilled?
Oh, I'll take chicken. Chicken. The restaurant is nice, clean, and it's only us here today. This is the view from the restaurant. Outside. So this is authentic St. Lucian food. That chicken looks so good. And then their main drink, I believe, is like passion fruit. Well, all of the places have like the passion fruit. All right, so let's taste the. Is that what she said it was? Potatoes? Irish potatoes. Alright, these are good. A little bit cold, but good. What's these beans? Regular beans? Lentils. Alright, these are hot. how I feel about the lettuces. And then the chicken. The chicken is really good.
Like the school chicken.
The rice is really good. And then what is this, cabbage? Or just like special?
Cabbage, carrot. Like kale. No, like kale. Mixed vegetable.
A little salad blend. I don't really like salad, but look at a salad dressing. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I want to try it.
Try it, man.
You try both of them? What does it taste like? I smell everything, y'all. Yeah, it don't really have a taste. I don't know what broccoli is. It don't really have a taste. And then this one, yeah, they both don't really have a taste. So I'm guessing, I think this is what they call the breadfruit. Just a different size because they're both two different colors.
Yeah, she said one is breakfast and one is something like good fruit.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a taste, but everything is delicious. Chicken and rice. Y'all see my nails? I don't think I showed y'all my nails the whole time. Yeah, they're messed up now.
Not eat, but mixed out different.
This is what our fifth day in St. Lucia. This is like the 5th day in St. Lucia. And this is one of the best plated foods that I've had so far. Beautiful Lucian views. Oh, you walking through leaves and stuff. I can't do that. So this is an almond that is not yet ripe. It's ripe, but
It's ripe, but not dry.
ripe but not dried. So that's an almond, and it starts out as a fruit, right? So here's some more on the floor, and then here's a dried one. And then when it is dried, you can break it open. And there you go. Well, you said a walnut, right?
Yeah.
A walnut. I never knew these are how nuts are made.
Oh, thank you. Why do you